Everybody, welcome back. I am back. And we are doing Halloween Get Ready December Daily. I've kind of shown you one project. Here's my little calendar that's on here. I try to do a couple of projects. This year it's going to be to finish up let me get it off of here. My little box here. Okay. Let's move this stuff out of the way. So we have room. Okay. All right, I have my coffin. I want to do a little coffin book. I've already put the hinges on, and I just got to decorate and figure out what I'm going to do on top of here. I have an idea. And then this one is notes. Always notes. Got a ton of notes everywhere. So this one I started last year, but I think I'm going to finish it this year. Is my little chest, my creepy chest. I did put the skull heads on the bottom for feet, right there. And I did start this, and I do have some of the stuff in here that I want to do with it. I mean, I have stuff together. I just have to make it. So, there's my two, oh, my stuff's coming off. My two projects. We'll have to figure out how to keep that on. I'll probably have to hot glue it on. And there's some, because it's been sitting here and moving around. So there's my two projects that I'm going to be working on for this year. And I don't think I'm going to be doing any more. That's all I'm going to do is finish those. Actually, no, there's two more, actually. The YouTube channel is Party's Channel with Maria. And she shows you how to age the skulls, you know, those plastic skulls you get from Dollar Tree or Family Dollar, anyone. And I was going to go get mine because I have a couple of them. But I only need one, and I have one that I usually put outside, and the things broke off of it and stuff, but I still kept it. So I need to get that out so I can age it and make a centerpiece. And these are my blood red roses that I've had that are going to go inside it. There's, I don't know if I saw it on Pinterest. On my Pinterest, there's a board called Halloween, and I think it's in that. But I have some of the stuff. I mean, I got the skull and I got these, and I'm sure I have the paint that she uses, this dark brown, off-white, yellow. I have most of the paints already. So actually I have 4. And there could be 5. I've got 2 more written down here that I like. My husband's gonna make me this, and I'll show you. I saw it on Pinterest, and I think I saved it to my Halloween board. So it's just a little, this is wood. And it looks like kind of like a graveyard, and there's hangers right here. That's what the V is. And it has a creepy board right here. It says welcome. I want to put this out on my porch. So it depends on how big he makes it. But that's that. And then this, I see all the time. I just wrote it out. Somebody used priority boxes and used 4 of them. I think they're the taller ones. And made a skinnier box. And then a skinny box and another one on top, and made a pillar. And I looked for the, this I might not be able to make until closer to Halloween, when Dollar Tree gets their Halloween stuff out, because I need the tombstones to put on there. I don't know if I'll get to that this year. I don't know, but that's one I want to make. So there's my little notes, my 2 notes for Halloween projects. So that's those. This is my little tray that I got last year. Can't really see it because I have all this stuff on there. I dug out my skeletons because it's gonna, one of them's gonna go on here. And then I have another one inside here already, but I may use more of these. I've got a couple of packets of these. I buy them every year. I try to buy 1 or 2 different ones every year. They didn't have any more of the natural looking ones, so I just grabbed these ones, and I think I got black ones. So I got these. I got some skull heads last year, and I think I only used one. I used it in my, yeah, I used it on my envelope that I made. I'll show you real quick. My loaded envelope. This is what I made last year. And there's a little skull head. It's on a pick. Because of COVID, you know, everything was kind of creepy last year. So this, I think everything in my Halloween stuff was potion related. Danger, danger, danger. So I made this loaded bag, and it has stuff inside here. And I'm pretty sure there's a video on this. And if I can find it, I will link it below. But I used that one skull head for that. But that's what these are. I'll leave that there so you can look at it. And then inside here, like last year, I painted these orange beads. They're stuck on here now, but I'll be able to get them off. And these ones I was supposed to paint black, I think. And I was going to make one of those beaded things. And I'm still going to do that. I didn't finish it. So I got to paint these black. And I have more of these beads over there. And I think I need to add a couple more. I'm not sure. But I did do orange ones. The orange ones are done. Those are sitting on here. Now I have some tape. This tape stuff. Washi tape. Bunch of washi tape. I have vampire mouth. I have some purple, but you can paint these. Skeletons, spiders, whatever. In here, I've got some of these little spider things. And I always put these on my books. I just cut the ring off. I'm probably going to need more though, because I don't think I have. Oh, these ones are bats. They're supposed to be in here. It got messed up. I have a skeleton that lost an arm. Actually, the arm's not missing, it's just right here. I have some more hinges. I raided my husband's shop. No. I'll have to look for that. And I've got little hinges. I already lost one of these. It fell on the floor and it went somewhere into here. I may come across it. But I got some hinges in here. I've got some little brads, some glass, like candies things. Nice black skeleton. I don't know why he's in here. I got one spider ribbon that was in here. I have my stickles, glitter glue. I got black, green, this yellow green color. I have yellow over there on my cart, red. I got some little jewels or whatever you want to call them, little jewels in here. Right over there, bats, some spider webs. This was on last year's thing. It's just a suction cup thing. Some bat rings, some spiders, some skull rings, some itty bitty spiders, itty bitty ones, table scatter stuff. I have a ton of spiders. I gotta use these up. I have this big one, tarantula, little one. May use this year. And a bunch of washi stuff. A bunch of different washies. that are in here. They're not. I got some cute ones, I think. I did buy some different, I may try to find some different ones for this year, because I'm not gonna incorporate orange. I wanna do a purple and I'll get to that. I wanna do a purple and black. This one is potions. So that's the little tray. And then I also have a Halloween cart that when we get closer, I will show you when we get closer to October when I'm doing this stuff. So I usually get the black one. The black one. They didn't have any. I didn't find any this year. I didn't find anything. So because I want to do purple and black, I've got to paint this black. So I'm going to end up painting this black. And I may use the green inserts, I may not, because I don't want green. I want it black and purple. Now I got one of my papers so far. My other one was out of stock, so now I gotta go in and find another one. I know there's orange, but I'm not gonna use the orange. I'm going to use this one, this one, this one, this one. I won't use the orange. And I'll use the purple, the black, the purples. I'll do that. I'm not going to use orange. I want purple and black. I want to do a witch. My book is going to be The Witch's House. The witches, you know. Last year was all about potions. And the year before that was spiders. This is going to be like the witch's house, the cauldron, the different rooms kind of thing. That's what I want to do with this. But my other paper I ordered from Martha Stewart. I ordered it, it had one. I got my thing today and it's little stupid stickers. They didn't send me the paper. It was out of stock. So now I gotta go in and try to find more black. You can't find black and purple paper together. You have to look up goth something to find the paper. So I know I'm not gonna have enough paper. I need to find a 4x6 stack. I like the green eyes. The witches have green eyes. That would be probably the only thing that will be green, is the eyes. I'll keep the cats. This purple. And I haven't gone through all of my, actually I did, my Halloween paper. Oh, let me get my box. I did go through the paper. So here's my Halloween box of my papers. I've only got one. So I took out everything that I thought I would use and put it on top. So let's see. Yep, here's everything that I thought I'd use. I made these little paper flowers. I don't know if I'll use them, but I got a bunch of pieces, parts of purple and black papers from a couple years ago. I got some bats. I can fussy cut stuff. You know, I got some purple stuff. Let me try to, I got this skeleton paper. You know, I got a bunch of, I don't know why the leaves are in here, but the leaves aren't supposed to be in here. Bunch of this creepy paper. This one says it has bats and it has a story of something on it. Like one room will have like frames and stuff. This is what this little picture frames. So inside the book as I do it, I'll try to do like, there's some black sparkly paper. So those are leftovers, and this is the big paper. Now, I did one book, and you'll probably have seen this. I did one book, was it 2018? Yep, 2018's book. This is the cover that I did. It was really cool. And then I have, this has orange in it, but this is like creepy pumpkin. I've got some polka dot, black polka dot. I've got some skulls. I might put this on the back of the book. I got some lantern paper, another piece of that. I've got a mummy. I got purple paper with little pumpkins or something on it. I've got this one, spooky, which is the happy, haunting, frightening. You know, this could be an inside cover thing. I don't know. Here's a little purple house. Here's some stripes. Could be wallpaper, you know. Here's another piece of that spooky writing. This one I like. This one has the voodoo doll on it. It has skeletons and stuff. I like that. That could be another room. This is orange, but I was gonna cut out a piece of this. And then I was gonna cut away the green and this tree. I want this tree. And I don't know if I'm gonna fussy cut that or not, but I may do some kind of cut out of this because I want this. That might be on the back too. I don't know. I've got two of them. Plain black piece and the front. But that's what the goal is for this year, is black and purple. It's kind of like the witch's house. The witch's house is what I want to do, like in different rooms. So I'm going to be searching YouTube for videos on witches' houses rooms and kind of jot them down and kind of make my book kind of like, because this will have these pages. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 main separators in here, and maybe do 4 main pages, and inside those pages, like the first one would be like October 1 through 10, or divvy up the month into 4 sections, you know, 1 through whatever, and then that number through whatever, and then the last part through Halloween, and make these rooms and decorate it for that. That's what I think I'm gonna do, is that. So I'm gonna put all of this stuff. I usually will use one of these, but I don't have enough of them. So I'm just gonna keep the rest of my papers, Halloween. This is all I got left for Halloween stuff. That's it. I've dwindled a lot. I used to have like 3 of these full, but I've only got down to 1 now. And same with my Christmas one, I'm down to 1. So it's almost time to buy more different papers. So I'm trying to use up what I have and kind of go about that route. So that's it. Any questions, feel free to comment down below, and I will do videos of these craft things. Like there definitely will be 2 videos here, and then the next, when I do the skull, I'll do a video thing. You know, last year I did the paper bag thing, loaded envelope. So there we go. That's it. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you again later. Bye now.